Good news, everybody. I have figured out what to do with the boat. It has been a disaster of epic proportions. Let me show you what's going on. Oh, I should mention, you guys can see the weather is not doing very good. And somewheres along the line, another tent came along. I don't know when. Wasn't there last night. Nah, it's a huge front hitting Atlanta, Georgia right now. Had some tornadoes in Alabama. No big surprise there. But when it hits me, according to the Weather Channel, it's showing a huge yellow, orange, massive line. So there's going to be rain. There's going to be wind and thunder and lightning. But I like it here in South Carolina because there's no rock. The lightning isn't that big of a deal. So hopefully, now I said that, I probably jinxed myself. But anyhow, here's this stinking motor. And I went at it again. As if you can see, I went at it with that angle grinder, trying to cut out. I thought I'd be able to cut out around. I hit the crank here too. I thought I'd cut around and it'd loosen up, but I went in and as deep as the angle grinder will go, and it's still not letting go. So I don't know how they constructed that flywheel, but I'm not getting it off. So I went to online again and thought I'd try my original idea of going electric, but there's somebody else online who did it, and they must have spent at least $15,000 to turn a jet ski into an electric jet ski. So that's not going to happen. The motor itself is $4,000. Well, probably $5,000 by the time you're done shipping and taxes and all that. And then you're going to need a good kilowatt of power, and no, probably even more than that, to be honest with you. What he put in a ton. And because you need a good 5,000 to 8,000 RPMs. That's what this is designed with the two-stroke to run. So I've now learned that if you get electric, you're going to need an electric motor that's going to spin pretty good. Most electric motors only go about 2,000 RPM. So yeah, that idea was out. So I continued searching, and I came across this company in Florida, and I didn't put the right things in the search is the reason why I never came across it before in all my research. I never thought of putting in refurbished jet ski motors, and that pulled up this great company. I'll talk about it more later if it actually happens, and I make it happen. But they've got this motor, and it's reasonably priced. It was less than $1,000, but it's exactly what I have here, minus the flywheel and the starter. And so they have all of this totally rebuilt, clean, painted, might as well be brand spanking new. And not the base either. But so I got to fix all of these parts, and I'll just get this core whatever you want to call it, core block and assembly. And there we go. And I have it. It's really the way to go. I can't do it now because, well, I'm at the campground. And I don't think they would appreciate having a motor delivered. And then I've got to send this motor back to them. Not sure they're going to want it. I've made I hit the crankshaft and I hit the housing. Here, you guys can get a little closer with the damn thing. A couple of places. But I'll see what they say. And but I just want the motor. And it's going to work, man. It's going to work. I'm going to have like a brand new 750cc motor. Oh, I just can't tell you how excited I am. I'm lost for words. It's going to work. It's going to work. So in the meantime, I'm going to straighten up the parts, clean them up, get them ready to go. I got the muffler to clean, the carburetor to clean, and paint it. I'm going to paint all of that black, and I might just keep the motor blue. It might look pretty cool having it blue and black. I have to build a bulkhead here, and another one basically here. This is where I'm going to put batteries and gas tank and life preservers and throwables and all the other stupid crap you gotta have nowadays. Then the seat goes here. I gotta replace this floor. This is the old floor. I want something better than what I have now. And I'll be working on that from now on. And hopefully maybe I'll be able to at least get the electric motor fixed. Not fixed, but running. So I can go back to fishing, because this has been very depressing. I use fishing. I don't know if you guys too use. You guys also use fishing to help alleviate depression, because I can tell you, just a simple hour out on the lake makes me so happy. I don't even care if I catch anything. It's just something fun to do. So, yeah, serenity now. That's going to work out good. I'm going to make my dream come true. I put in all this time and effort. The motor was really wearing me down, man. I could not think of what I was going to do. I'm going to have to buy try to find another old 750 Polaris, or get some off of eBay or any of those other weird places that sell things. Craigslist. But now I gotta have might as well be brand new motor. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, stay tuned. Catch you guys later.